talaga ako. Yung sa kanya.
Let's give him a shot, maybe.
Ano ba?
Maybe it's in the kiss.
Kiss.
You just need your extra time and your...
No. Kiss. Alam ko, pag gusto ko talaga isang gaya, Marina. See, sakit ko, I don't know how to get rid of it. I don't know how to get rid of my problem.
You can attract them, but you don't know how to get rid of them.
What?
You know, you can attract them, but you don't know how to get rid of them.
I don't know.
Dan, yung lyrics mo, ha? Nasa cabinet mo.
Hindi ko alam paano ko na-attract. Hindi ko alam paano ko nakaka-attract. Sobrang sabog ako.
Ano? Wait, I'll be back. Wait for me.
Once or twice was enough. It was
Radyo! Ano? Smell what? Oh, this...
Ay, pinagpag ko.
Ay... Galing. Nag-ano si Bugoy kanina.
Oo nga, baka nga. What's wrong with him?
We don't know, but he said sorry already to us. But somehow he got mad at me and Dan again. Di ko alam. Pero now I know, I don't take it so seriously now because, di ba, he just needs his space. Because he has his moments still. It's not gonna be gone 100%. Pero lalo pa kasi, alam ko, yesterday, di ba, umiyak si... yesterday, umiyak si Dan, di ba? Then, tinawag si...
Ikaw lang.
Teacher Joey.
Yeah.
Sir, Direct Joey. Para lumabas. Feeling ko may affected din siya. Pero, hindi sa ganon. Di ba?
Kasi
yung sabi ni Apple, kasi I think nagtanong that's why nagtanong ako kay Apple. Apple, ano sabi ni Direct sa'yo? Sinong best friend ni Van dito sa loob? Sabi niya, si Bugoy at saka ako. Pero baka nakataon lang.
Kasi kayo.
Nakatabi kami.
Super sensitive.
Pero nakatingin ko sa kanya parang looking at us from away. And then parang sa akin din, pag nakita, like if ever, like diba, kanina si Teacher Monette, sabi niya, si Dancen, pag narinig niya ng ganon.
I-hurt siya.
Oo, pero dapat hindi. Fault mo. Fault mo na naman.
Oo nga.
If it's my fault, I don't care.
Number 7. Number 7.
I don't care if it's my fault.
Boy, pite.
Number 7.
Ano yung number 7?
Ang sungit na number 7. Hindi kasi ako 7 na 7. Siya components ng 7. 7 pa rin siya. Pero ako mas 7. Kiss sa kanya.
Ako gulo na
Ano?
6. Yeah, it's only rin.
Maybe someday you'll see my face among... Uy, bro. Nalaman mo yung song, what's my line? Or climb a mountain. Ito, listen ha. Or climb a mountain. Diba? Sounds off. Or climb a mountain. See, better. Diba? If I did it that way. Or climb a mountain and touch the cloud. Diba? Or an angel. Or angel under grace.
Sayang.
Fault mo yan. Fault mo yan. I'm blaming everybody. See?
Wow! Kontrabida ka.
Number 7. Number 7 talaga.
Saan ka nagbaduy? Number 6.
Boring kayo.